The past simple present perfect nightmare. For some, anyway. Past simple or present perfect? Which to use? Here's a challenge for you. Choose the correct answer. You haven't been to New York yet, have you? Yes, I've flown there 3 years ago to visit my sister. Yes, 3 years since when I visited my sister. Yes, 3 years ago when I flew over to visit my sister. Yes, I flew there 3 years ago to visit my sister. So which one is correct? Yes, I've flown there 3 years ago to visit my sister. Well, flown is the correct past participle, but you can't use the present perfect because you're specifying a time. Number 2, yes, 3 years since when I visited my sister. No, you can't use since in this way. You'd have to say something like, yes, I've been there, but not since I visited my sister. Number 4, yes, I have flew there 3 years ago to visit my sister. 2 things wrong here. It should be I have flown, but we're using a go, so we cannot use the present perfect. It's a specified time. So the correct answer is number 3. Yes, 3 years ago when I flew over to visit my sister. We sometimes talk about flying over to somewhere rather than just flying to. So the number 1 rule is if the event is finished, is over, has been completed, use the past simple. Use with a time, a date, a period, a past occasion, ago, and while. Examples: at 11 p.m. last week, in 2019, when I was in London 6 weeks ago, while I was in town. In all these examples, the time, date, period, and so on are specified. It doesn't always have to be. That's when it gets a bit complicated. But if the time, date, and so on are specified, do not use the present perfect. There are times when either the past simple or present perfect can be used, but not when the specific time is referred to. To explain this, I'll need to tell you in another video. I'll be making more videos about the present perfect and its uses, so please make sure you subscribe, like, and ask any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.